Hey everyone, welcome to Top Product Insights. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to dive into a review on the Instant Pot Dual Plus Multi Cooker. So the Instant Pot Dual Plus Multi Cooker contains all these parts. This is what it comes with. So you'll get the user manual, you'll get the sealing ring, you'll get the multi-cooker lid and the multi-cooker base, and you'll get a stainless steel steam rack, and then you will get the pot itself. So some of the details I would like to go through with this item is that this is dishwasher safe and it contains 3 quarts of capacity, so it serves up to 4 people. And this is perfect for small families. And as you can see over here, if you turn the box around, it contains 15 one-touch cooking programs. So what it does, it pressure cooks, slow cooks, soup, broth, cake, eggs, saute, rice, bean, grain, porridge, oatmeal, sterilized yogurt, and sous vide. There's a bunch of things that you can do with this cooker. And there's also an app too where you can download. So you just scan the QR code and then they'll lead to the app where you can download for this particular multi-cooker. And it's very easy to release. Switch for fast steam release. And there's also 9-in-1 functions: pressure cook, slow cook, rice, steam, and many more. And it also, when you download, like when you scan the QR code, then you download the app, and then it's going to lead you to a bunch of recipes that you can also mark them as your favorite as you go. And it's going to show you a lot of recipes and on how you can make other types of things with this product. So this Instant Pot is actually quite a game changer because it contains a lot of functions that you can go through around. There's a lot of things you can do with this Instant Pot, and you'll actually definitely would want to get this for your kitchen. One of the things I really like about this Instant Pot is that it gives you a very sleek design of this pot, and it actually helps a lot, especially when you're trying to cook dinner. And this is perfect for those people that are very busy and they don't have time to cook, and you can really make very easy and simple, fast recipes with this cooker. The lid itself, it actually had the steam release valve, which is right over here, and that's where all the steam comes from. Plus, there is also a steam release switch over here. So this is how you're going to take the steam out and just put the steam back in. So if you're just doing pressure cooking, then I would suggest you to put this on the seal. And if you're trying to do slow cook, then the best is to put it on the vent. So first thing is that you should, before you even start using the Instant Pot, you need to install the sealing ring, which is right over here. And I'll show you on how you can install this. So with this Instant Pot, it already comes with the sealing ring assembled already. And it just comes with an extra sealing ring. And I'm going to show you on how you can remove the current sealing ring to a this one. So what you'll do is you're going to remove the ring like this, and you can see that it's coming off. And then I'm going to show you on how you can install the extra sealing ring that came with it. So you'll just do it like this. You have to tuck it in there. You just keep pressing it firmly so that the whole ring goes in. like that. So now this is how you install the sealing ring. So this Instant Pot contains two markings. As you can see that there's a half marking and there is a maximum marking of 2/3. And that's the maximum that you can fill up your food with. So inside the base of the pot is where the heating element is located. So the purpose of this heating element is to provide the direct heat to the Instant Pot. And this is the Instant Pot over here. And it's going to provide the heat for your food. So the way on how you open it and close it, it shows you over here the way on how you do this. So when you're trying to open it, then you'll have to turn it right. And then when you're trying to close it, you close it to the left. So from looking at all these buttons, it may look at the start that is very overwhelming, but once you get the hang of it, then it's very easy to use. So once you plug in your Instant Pot, it's going to lit up like this. And then you'll see all the functions. And when you're trying to pressure cook, you'll just click on pressure cook. And then it's going to show you. You can also adjust your timing with your settings over here for timing. And also you can lower your timing as well. And then the temperature is right over here. It says low right here, and then it says over here high setting, and then you can keep it warm. There's a delay start here, cancel and start button. Once you select your choices of which you would like to choose, then you'll just click on the function itself and then start. So you'll see here are all the functions once you have this unit on. And then you get to choose, like if you're going to pressure cook, you're going to click on pressure cook. If you want to make the soup, then you click on the soup button. And if you want the cake, then you can choose the cake option or the egg option. And this is where you're going to adjust your timing. And if you want more timing, you click on this. And if you want to lower your timing, you can click on this. And then for your temperature, the pressure, if you want it high, then it's at high right here. And if you want to have in the lower setting for your temperature, then you can click down here. And then over here is your start button, your cancel button, and your button to keep your food warm. And there's also a delay start button over here. It's very simple to use. You can choose like rice, and then it shows you that you can do it for 12 minutes, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, however you would like. And then the temperature in high cook, or if you click on this, is low cook. And then same with these other options. So like, let's say for instance, if I'm trying to cook rice, then you'll just click on this rice option. Let's just first cancel this out. Okay, you see that it's off, so it's not on anything. So if I were to make some rice here, you click on rice, and then this is like for 12 minutes. And then I'm going to keep my option, instead of high, I'm going to keep it as low. And then you just click start. And then it says on, so it should be cooking at the low setting temperature. So this multi-cooker weighs about 9 pounds, so it's pretty lightweight. And I'm going to show you all the other functions on how you operate this. So on this lid, there is a steam release valve over here, and this is what it is to release the pressure. So you can do it by this button over here and like this. So other products out there are like you have to do it with manually. And so for this one, that's the really good thing about this product, is that you don't have to do that. And this is detachable, so you can just take this out and then you can clean it. But majority of the time, you don't have to really do that. other products out there, you will have to like turn it to release the pressure. But for this one, is the benefit about this product is that you don't have to do that. There is a button specifically for this. So you just do this and it releases the pressure, and you do that, and that's how you operate it. So when you rotate this multi-cooker around, you'll see a steam collector, which is right over here. And what this does is that it catches any condensation. And so that's what it's for, so it doesn't mess up anything and doesn't leak out all the steam. So it's already connected. So this steam collector is very easy to attach and deattach. So what I really like about this Instant Pot is two features. So one is the steam collector and also the steam release valve. And so you don't get these other things with other products. So this is a much more easier and much more cleaner way to use your multi-cooker. So once you plug in your Instant Pot, you'll see that all the lights light up and it says off. So right now it's at the off mode. And then when you try to start up, based on what you're cooking, so like if you were to pressure cook, then it says that it's going to do for 10 minutes pressure cook. And if you want to adjust the timing, then all you have to do is raise the time depending on what you're cooking. So like for this one is 20 minutes, and then you can also adjust the temperature pressure, so you can have it either on the low mode or on the high mode. And then once you're adjusting your time and your temperature, then you just click start, and then that means that it's on and it's on the preheating mode. And you can see right here that it's in preheating, and then once it gets to here, this is the cooking mode, and then once it gets to here is keep warm. And another thing I really like about this Instant Pot is that, let me first cancel this out. Another thing I like about is that you can also have your food inside warm, so which will be this option over here, keep warm. So you'll click on this, and then your food is going to be warm throughout the whole entire time. And that's another feature I really like about this. So typically you'll be using the high mode for most of the cooking because this is designed for quick cooking. Another thing I like about this Instant Pot is that it also includes a delay start button where you can have the cooker start a little bit later. And so while you're preparing your prepping your food, then this could start later. So your cooker could start later. So one of the cooking modes I would like to talk about is the saute mode. And the saute mode kind of works differently. This mode is like you're frying something. So like you can have the lid open and you can start stirring your food. There is also a sensor that it will start beeping when you open the lid up and when you close the lid back. So I'll show you like this. When you're opening it, you can hear the beep, and then when you're trying to close it, you hear the beeping. Another thing that I like about this Instant Pot is that if you by mistakenly not like you have your lid open and you didn't realize it's open, then it's going to show you an indicator that your lid is open. So you can see that the lid, I just let it loose a little bit and the lid is a little bit open. So then if I try to click on pressure cook, it won't allow me to start cooking because it's showing an indicator, an error that the lid is open. So overall, this is the best Instant Pot I have ever purchased. It's really easy to use, and as you can see that there's a lot of buttons and functions on it, and it may seem overwhelming, but once you get the hang of it, it's very easy and very simple to use. And this is best for your kitchen when you're trying to make some quick recipes. And I hope you like this review. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you in the next video.